so how you're looking forward for 2022?
Sorry?
How you're looking forward for 2022?
Oh wow, I'm really very excited for 2022 because I have some more projects lined up, and actually I'm also coming up with an interesting concept related to painting. As I'm an actress and a painter too, so for me, both the things are equally important, equally important to me. एंड आई डोंट कंसिडर लाइक एनीथिंग मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. जैसे मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि अगर मैं एक्टिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, पेंटिंग कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे एक्टिंग पहले करनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है. दोनों चीज़ें मैंने हमेशा साथ साथ की है और मैंने काफ़ी एंजॉय किया हुआ है. लेकिन जैसे आपने सुना कि मैंने शॉर्ट फिल्म्स की है और मेरे और भी प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइंड अप है, लेकिन पेंटिंग का एक और बहुत ही अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट लेके मैं डेफिनेटली 2020 में आ रही हूँ. और मेरे शॉर्ट फिल्म भी रिलीज़ होने वाले हैं. तो 2022 ईयर भी एक्साइटिंग ईयर होगा. और आई होप कि आप सब मुझे फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली फॉलो कीजिए रश्मि पित्रे वेरीफाइड पेजेस पे, ताकि आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
Hello, what's up? Yeah.
What was the reason behind you here? Oh, we know you were here for the launch.
Yeah,
क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस launch के लिए?
I am excited because this place has been home to a lot of memories. हम लोग कॉलेज के टाइम पे बहुत टाइम ज़्यादा we used to come here. We had other places running, but I'm sure this place is not going to go anywhere because Bhai has opened it up recently. He said today's the launch, and I wish him all the best.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the best because this place looks awesome from the outside. Now I'll have to go in and figure out what's happening inside.
आप दोनों क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जब जान ने बताया कि कॉलेज टाइम की यादें ताज़ा हो गई और आप उसका साइन और आप उसको वापस लेके आ रहे हैं, आप दोनों से
सो बेसिकली मेरे लिए पर्सनली बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, इस प्रिविलेज कि इतने पुराने इस जगह से जुड़े हुए लोग हमारी जगह में आ रहे हैं. तो कॉलेज टाइम और अभी में क्या डिफरेंस है वो एटलीस्ट जेन्युइनली इनसे हमको पता चल सकता है जो सदियों से आ रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू जान, आप इधर आए. थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच.
for having me, and I'm excited to see what's inside now.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, Jan, so you have came here with a new look, so anything special is coming up?
What new look?
Your hairstyle.
Hairstyle is new?
You look great though.
Thank you. Actually, abhi I had taken a bit of a hiatus. I had taken a bit of a break from public appearances, social media and all. अभी music videos आ रहे, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा I have to get in shape. I have to try out a few things. So I'm glad आपको लोग अच्छा लगा.
Okay, so you have taken a break from social media. There are lots of people asking about it. So why
Yeah.
you have taken a break from social media?
There was a lot of toxicity, negativity थी काफ़ी सारी. ओहो, ये ज़रा ख़त्म होने. Actually, हाँ, social media से break लिया because I needed to get a few things in order personally also, and there was a lot of negativity going on and stuff. तो मेरे को उससे affect हो रहा था. तो मैंने decide किया कि I'll go away from it, I'll recharge myself and I'll come back in a better way. So अब वो time आ गया. Like I'm going to be back on social media, coming New Year के बाद, and I'm coming with a lot of new things. I will just say one thing: 2022 is my year. It's the year that I'm going to smash my bucket list, and I'm going to be doing everything that I've wanted to. I'm going to achieve a lot of goals. I've already achieved a lot of goals, but I'm not going to speak about it. And let's see. मेरा काम बोलेगा.
Okay, so Big Boss 15 final is up in the corner. So you want to say something about it? Would you like to see a few finalists?
I want to see Karan as a finalist. I want to see Tejasvi as a finalist. Pratik Sehjpal as a finalist. Rakhi, of course, because Rakhi. Yes, and I know. No, but Rakhi is Rakhi. Like, I want to see her in finals as well. She's the first finalist, right? And I'm excited because हम भी वो moment से गुजर चुके हैं, तो हमको पता है कि वो एक excitement level बढ़ते जाता है, and by the end of your when you reach the finals, the house is एकदम खाली. So वो सारी चीज़ें वापस से देखने को मिलेगी. And I wish all the contestants all the best, yeah.
Basically, how do you spend your evening and what about the show basically? I mean, what is the USP you find?
I've not entered yet, but I've really loved the invite. I want to say that invite was really, really good. And Kingsman I think it spells a bit of royalty. I think that's what y'all have going. You know, it's Hollywood. Yeah, the Kingsman, right?
Yeah.
So I figured that that royalty wala vibe was coming. So I'm very excited about going in and finding out what it is. And what she said, the Kingsman movie is one of my favorites. So now this place has become one of my personal favorites already. I would say.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Dada, done? Done. Chal.
Today's evening really amazing, and this is so good for me, so positive for me, because our government announced 10 o'clock ka off, but then we are still trying to do something really great. And congratulations to Deepak and Sangeeta, they have been doing really amazing job, and they have gifted us amazing place, so I am really super excited about this place. ओए, मैंने हाल ही में इंदौर में लाउंज और रेस्टोरेंट लॉन्च किया है, सो मैं इन दोनों की, दीपक और संगीता की फीलिंग प्रॉपर्ली समझ सकती हूँ, और उतनी ही खुशी मुझे हो रही है, क्योंकि ये ओपन करने की जो खुशी होती है ये बहुत अमेजिंग होती है और बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो यस, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इन दोनों के लिए.
आपको क्या बेसिकली ये बहुत जगह पहले से ही है, आपको क्या खास नजर आ रहा है?
देखिए, इसमें इन लोगों ने इंटीरियर जो किया है वो बहुत डिफरेंट किया है, विच आई रियली लव, विच इज़ रॉयल. वी कैन सी, देखिए आउटसाइड दे हैव यूज्ड अ गोल्डन एंट्री निश. तो पहले तो इनके इंटीरियर मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सेकंड, इनका कॉन्सेप्ट आई लव्ड इट, and especially Sangeeta, she was very keen about this concept, so I am really super excited, and I just want to say congratulations to her, because I am really happy with this concept.
And I'll continue that. I guess
देखिए, मुझे शाम के वक्त जब चिल्ड आउट करना हो तो मुझे ये जगह मिल चुकी है ऑलरेडी, ठीक है, और मैं सबसे कहूँ कि प्लीज़ आके इसे चेक करो, क्योंकि शहर में अगर कोई नई जगह खुलती है तो वो स्पेशली जो है वो सबका अड्डा बन जाती है, तो हमारे सबका सेलिब्रिटीज़ का अड्डा यही बनने वाला है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
I'm just entered the place now, and when my friend, I want to pull this one. She's so shy. Oh my God! I had to literally drag her and tell her this place is rocking and happening, and I can see it's simply lovely. We're going to have great fun. And so, thank you for inviting me, Deepak. Thank you for inviting me. I'm out here for my friends, and we're going to rock it.
कंवर जी आगे अब कुछ कहने का बचा ही नहीं है. हमारे हिसाब से पुरानी मुलाकात है, पहली बार हमारी जगह है, हमारे लिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि सर खुद आए यहाँ पे.
I'm going to patronize this place. This is going to be my favorite.
Yes, sir. What do you want to say about this
You want to speak in English or Hindi?
mix?
Mix. English, huh?
English.
I think it's a very happy moment for all of us as a team at the Kingsman in Juhu, which is opening today. The grand opening is happening right now. And मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि this will be known as the best eatery, the best bar in town. And this is going to cover lots and lots of nice food, lots and lots of nice cocktails, great atmosphere, great music, great people, great gatherings, great venue for each and every happy happening that you want to do. It should be the Kingsman at Juhu for each and everyone at Mumbai. So please wish us best of luck, each and every one of us at Kingsman. We need all the luck, all the love from all of you, so that we at Kingsman always rock.
Okay, sir. So how does it feel to have such a great chef in your team? How does it feel for you?
See, it's a very prestigious moment for us, because जब मुझे मालूम चला कि गौतम शेफ हमारे साथ एसोसिएट हो रहे हैं, या इनफैक्ट हम होना चाह रहे थे, मतलब इच्छा इनकी तरफ से नहीं, हमारी तरफ से थी. एंड फाइनली बहुत शॉर्ट मीटिंग में हमने सेकंड किए, एंड एक नए चैलेंज को, जो शेफ़ का एक सपना था कि एक ऐसा स्टैंड ऑन प्रॉपर्टी के साथ उनको एक पूरा फूड में एक इनोवेशन करके एक कस्टमर को एक नया एक्सपीरियंस देना था, जिसके बदौलत आज मैं और शेफ़ यहाँ पे साथ हैं. एंड आई विश अभी तक जितने ट्रायल हुए वो 100 आउट ऑफ 100. हमने ऐसा फूड कभी नहीं खाया. नॉट ओनली कि मेरी जगह है तो मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, आप भी अगर ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको ये फील होगा.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I saw you. Even I know him. How are you?
Okay, Parimal sir, what do you want to say for this amazing place?
Okay, Kingsman is something which is a very good surprise, and especially at this time where there are so many clubs around. The way I've just come and met Deepak and Sangeeta, and I've just found that this overall, the way the thing is developed here, I'm too excited. In fact, we're soon coming up with our calendar launch also, and it's gonna be a big affair here. I think this is one of the best places. I've always come here in the past also. Very huge place in Bombay City to such a big place. It's a surprise, and they've done it very well. I'm sure. I'm all excited to get inside.
Okay, so talking about the location, do you think it's a perfect location? Because when we see Juhu is a posh location. So do you think it's a perfect location?
Of course, I think Juhu mein or Pure, I should say from Bandra till Andheri, if I find something which is a very cozy and a silent place, but yet very big from inside, it's one of the wonders. So I'm sure that this is one of the best places I've seen in the town, and I'm all excited to be here again and again.
Sir, your event went very big success. A lot of people loved it. What do you want to say that?
Well, OMG Face of the Year has been one of the best events which has been done very big. The second big event is coming up, that's Glam On, and with Glam On we're proud to get associated with Kingsman, where the calendar is going to launch with a lot of celebrities coming up in January. Deepak is going to be a part of. Deepak, come, why don't you be a part of us? Yeah.
क्या दीपक सर भी होंगे कैलेंडर में?
ये सारा सरप्राइज है, because Glam On में कौन है, कौन कब क्या करने वाला है, and what is going to be the launch धमाका, that we're going to see only at Kingsman.
Deepak sir, what do you want to say about it? Sir just told that you guys are going to be calendar. So what do you want to say about it?
सी फ्रैंकली मैं कैलेंडर वगैरह से बहुत दूर था, पर परमल जी का नाम मैंने बहुत अच्छे से सुना है काफ़ी सालों से, एंड हमारी 3 दिन पहले की छोटी सी मुलाकात है. इन्होंने जस्ट अपना प्रपोजल रखा, मैंने सिर्फ पेन निकाल के साइन किया. मैं बोला क्या चाहिए, इट्स ऑल योर्स, जो करना है आप करो, हम आपके साथ हैं.
And it's a very exciting moment.
सो वी आर
for
सुपर
Kingsman team as
एक्साइटेड
well.
कि हम ब्लैक कैनवास के साथ एसोसिएट है. थैंक यू.
And not only that, just to add, the calendar is going to get a lot of brands here. We are very excited to get Malabar Jewelers. We're very excited to get Regal Footwear. We're very excited to get Panasonic. These are the biggest brands coming under one roof for the calendar. Calendar is going to be exciting. It's going to be launched here. So we're very excited to show the final launch look of the calendar at Kingsman. Thank you.
Parimal ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are the owner of the place, right?
Yes. Okay. My fiance is also coming. Vikrant, page for Deepak ji now. Vikrant, page for Deepak ji. Yeah.
Okay, Malvi ji, good to see you. What do you want to say about this place, Kingsman?
It's beautiful, it's nice, lovely place, and I'm so happy to be here today.
Thank you so much for coming.
Congratulations for your new opening.
Ma'am, what do you want to say? Malvi ji is here to support you. क्या कहना चाहोगे उसके बारे में?
I'm very happy to say a lot of other faces also, you'll be meeting them inside, that we're very happy to start this place in Juhu, in fact, a prime location.
Yeah, it's such a prime location. I've been to this place because that time it was
I
some
think
other
it was
place.
Vilas.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am, so there are many faces inside. So are you looking forward to watch any faces? किससे मिलने की?
I have no idea who is there inside,
That's
but I'm
gonna
so
be a surprise
excited.
again.
I'm so excited to
Okay,
be
so
here.
once ready की बात करें तो what are your upcoming projects?
I'm shooting for some short film, so I'm just coming directly from the set. और अभी चल रहा है, and then there are so few more things lined up down south, so that's all are there.
So what do you want to say? Malvi ji is here to support you. क्या कहना चाहोगे उसके बारे में?
मेरे को नहीं लगता मालवीन जी आने के बाद कुछ कहने की जरूरत है. फिर भी आए,
That's
बहुत
sweet
बड़ी
of you.
हमारे लिए सौभाग्य
And
की
yeah,
बात
that
है.
too coming from Shoe directly. That's really, it makes a lot of
Okay, ma'am. So how you are looking forward for 2022?
To do a lot of work, be busy all the time, and take care of your health because this COVID is spreading like anything. So I'm just hoping that this COVID, won't come again, and we have to sit at home in lockdown. So just hoping for that, and we have to take precautions because it's really important.
मैम आपका सॉन्ग बहुत हिट हो चुका है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
I'm so happy, so glad कि अभी 9 दिन हो चुके हैं रिलीज हुए हैं, it's trending number 1. So there's nothing like it, and I'm so happy, so thankful, and so grateful to God.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you very best.
Thank you so much for coming.